Today, we're diving into 5 businesses you can start this weekend with minimal investment. We've chosen these businesses based on 3 key criteria. They can be initiated over a weekend, require less than $1,000 to start, and have the potential to grow into substantial enterprises. Let's get into it. Business Idea 1: Dumpster Rentals. First on our list is dumpster rentals. This business revolves around renting out dumpsters for construction projects and cleanouts. The demand for dumpsters is high, particularly in urban areas with ongoing construction. The startup costs include purchasing dumpsters and a truck or trailer for transport. To start, you'll need to buy a dumpster, which costs between $3,000 and $6,000 depending on the size, and a truck to haul it. However, we're going to rent our initial dumpster for a month. This will cut risk and initial capital outlay. Then we will rent 5 more. When all 6 are rented out, then we will have some capital and track record to buy. The risk involves the initial investment, but you can mitigate this by starting with just 1 dumpster and reinvesting the profits. Marketing is straightforward. Begin with free platforms like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. The potential for scaling is significant. Once your initial investment pays off, you can expand your fleet, hire additional drivers, and increase your service area. This business model has proven successful, with some operators scaling to 20 dumpsters and generating substantial revenue. Next, we have the pallet business, which involves collecting and reselling wooden pallets. There are billions of pallets in circulation in the U.S., often discarded by businesses that receive deliveries. The startup requirements are minimal if you already own a truck. You can collect pallets from local businesses and sell them to companies needing pallets for shipping. There are 2 main models: scavenging, where you collect discarded pallets and sell them, and salvaging, where you repair broken pallets or dismantle them for wood. The risk is low since the initial investment is minimal, and if you fail, you can recoup some costs by selling the pallets as scrap wood. Scaling this business involves building relationships with businesses that need regular pallet disposal and finding buyers for the repaired or recycled pallets. While it may be challenging to reach millions in revenue, it's a solid business that can generate a steady income. Business Idea 3: Paint striping. Paint striping for parking lots is another viable business. This service ensures that parking spaces are clearly marked and organized. The startup costs are low, requiring just basic equipment like paint rollers, an extension pole, and painter's tape. For a more professional setup, investing in a paint striping machine is recommended. To find clients, start by cold calling paving companies and listing your services on platforms like Angie's List. The risk is minimal as the equipment costs are low, and the potential for high returns is significant. On average, paint stripers can make $4,000 to $6,000 per job, with profit margins around 50%. Scaling this business involves building a reputation for reliability and quality. By being punctual, efficient, and doing excellent work, you can secure repeat customers and expand your client base. This business has substantial potential if you're willing to put in the effort to market and deliver your services. Business Idea 4: Trash hauling. Trash hauling is a straightforward service-based business that requires minimal startup costs. All you need is a truck, a trailer, and a way to get customers. You can start by offering your services to local residents and businesses through platforms like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. The risk is low as you can rent equipment initially and scale as you grow. If you fail, the initial investment is minimal, and the equipment can be sold or repurposed. The potential for scaling is significant. As you establish your business, you can expand your services, purchase more equipment, and hire additional workers. To increase revenue, consider partnerships with furniture stores and property managers who often need junk removal services. This business model is flexible and can be adapted to your local market's needs, providing ample opportunities for growth. Business Idea 5: Courier service. Finally, let's talk about starting a courier service. With the rise of e-commerce and the need for quick deliveries, courier services are in high demand. The startup costs
Market's
include a vehicle
needs.
and basic delivery supplies. You can begin by offering your services to local businesses and using platforms like TaskRabbit to find gigs. The risk is minimal as the initial investment is low. However, efficient route planning and reliable service are crucial to success. To scale this business, build partnerships with local businesses that require regular deliveries, such as printing companies, medical suppliers, and retail stores. The scalability potential is high. As you grow, you can expand your fleet, hire additional drivers, and offer specialized services like hazardous material delivery or climate-controlled transportation. This business can quickly grow from a weekend hustle into a full-scale courier company. Conclusion: starting a business doesn't have to be a monumental task. With these 5 ideas, you can take the first steps toward entrepreneurship this weekend. Each business has low startup costs, minimal risks, and significant potential for growth. So pick one that aligns with your skills and interests and get started today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on starting and growing your business. Let's turn your weekend hustle into a thriving enterprise.